Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna work with the Hyundai Tiburon. Alright, so today we're working with the Hyundai Tiburon again. And the plans for today is to install a Catback. I have my parts right here and boom, yep, there we have it. So here I have an OBX Catback. It's basically covered, but it's a OBX, trust me, 2.5 Catback. It has, the muffler is actually right here. I have the other section actually right here. You can barely don't see it, but it's actually right here, all the way to the floor. And here I have an eBay Civic Cat. So I don't know how well this is gonna work, but we're gonna find out today. The reason for getting this is because, as you guys saw on the last video, my exhaust got rusted and it was leaking. Here's the video. After that, I attempt to fix it and it broke again, and now actually the stock Catback piping got cracked again by the cat. Well, it's not a cat anymore, but it got cracked by the flange area, and with this I'm hoping to fix that issue and do a small upgrade just in the future for any performance or anything like that. So let's just open up right now, and boom, yep, here we have the muffler. Is the classic style riser, but it is what it is. I would like to basically change it in the future, but I don't know. Basically the stock exhaust almost costs the same as this one. Here I have the Civic Cat. I don't know if it's gonna bolt on, but we're gonna find out very soon. And here is the other section of the Catback. So basically the whole thing is 2.5 and it should be a bolt on. The reason that I got this Civic Cat is because this flange over here is actually a 3 bolt. You guys can see it right there. It's a little dark, I apologize. But also the cat on the other side is actually a 3 bolt, so it should be able to actually match very soon, very nice. And in the other side it's a 2 bolt, which it should match with the header that we installed on the last video. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to jack up the car and start removing everything. So let's go. So successfully I pulled out the Catback. Here is the muffler. This one actually was Trush turbo muffler. This one was supposed to go over there, but of course it got rusted, so the pipe got cracked. Here is where I cut it because this thing was leaking, and I welded, like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. I had emissions and I had just to pass them, so that was a quick fix. And yeah, here is the cat delete. I'm lying. There is tornado delay, and here is eBay cat that I have. So now, since everything is out, segway comparison next to each other, you guys can see it right there. The new one is a little bigger, which should be better. So now we're gonna go ahead and start mounting everything. So let's go. Little bit later, and I have this middle section on. You guys can see it right there. And now we just get into where we need to get the cat on. I already tested and it's a little bit too long. I have to cut it about half an inch because it doesn't want to get in. So it's gonna suck, but I'm gonna have to actually cut it and weld it. And I know that my Harbor Freight weld is gonna look super dookie, but have no choice, so let's go. Alright, so some time has passed since the last clip, and I already cut and weld the flange. You guys can see my ugly welds in there. Yep, they look very ugly, not proud, but I check it out and with the light, and it shouldn't leak at all, which is what's important to me. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and mount this baby back. And then after that, the next clip you guys will see the car on, so let's go. Alright, so successfully everything is done, and I'm very happy with the results. Let me show you. Excuse my mess, have to clean up later. I would love to take the car for a drive, but right now this tire over here, is low on air, but there you guys can see it. I'm not a fan of how it looks. It reminds me of the Riser era back on Fast and Furious, but let me do an exhaust clip real quick.
The next day.
So yeah guys, there you guys have it. The Hyundai Tiburon now has a Catback exhaust. It sounds a little bit too loud for my taste, but it is what it is. Also, I use the GoPro to record this video instead of my other camera to try to minimize the focusing issue. So just let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this one better than the other one, if not, then I will stick with the other one. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. If you want to help me, please don't skip those ads. Don't forget to comment, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you all and have a nice day. Stay safe. Wash your hands.